Hey guys, Tina here. So I'm working from home, and most of us are working from home, which is the perfect time to get your peel on. So I know a lot of people are having like issues, especially with the mask that we have to wear. People are breaking out, and I'm just going to show you really quickly how to nip it in the bud. So number one, you want to remove all the dead skin, topical, lightly, very gently, and you're going to use the diamond to do that. Just a diamond mini pad. So all you need is a bowl of water. You need to get the yogurt K, or if you have like a viscous cleanser at home, that would be great. Do something creamy. Apply it like a mask, face, neck, and chest. Dip this in water, then lightly glide. You can go really close under your eyes. You can go around your nose, but be super light-handed. And then you're gonna rinse off the cleanser. Once you rinse off the cleanser, you're now ready. You just prepped your skin for the peel. And in order to do a peel, the correct K right here is a retinol night peel. So it's basically peel in your sleep. So you put 4 pumps, layer it really nicely. Don't massage it in. Do it where you're leaving some of it like on your skin. And then you're gonna go to bed. You're gonna wake up in the morning. You're gonna see all that cell turnover. You're gonna see that your pores are smaller. You're gonna see that the discoloration's lighter. But if you wanna really nip it in the bud with discoloration, you wanna do it twice a week versus once a week. Once a week's great because it's just to get rid of all the dullness. Twice a week is to get in there and to break apart discoloration. So 4 pumps if you want to just do your face, 8 pumps if you want to do face, neck, and chest. Like I said, leave it on like a thin mask for the correct K. What this is going to do is it's going to give you MicroPeels. And MicroPeels are awesome because it's a great way to maintain your skin, keep your pores really tight. It's a great way to get your glow back. It's a great way to break apart discoloration and prevent discoloration at the same time. And it's not harsh, so you can do it whenever you want to. I recommend once a week if you just want to get a glow, twice a week if you want to really break apart discoloration. You're going to need to do it twice a week, and you'll start seeing things even out. It's pretty cool to see what you can do at home. A little DIY challenge for you.